Installation of the Twix M tripod turnstiles. Before installing the turnstile, make sure that you have all the necessary tools. You can see a detailed list in the manual on our website. Check the integrity of the package. Before unpacking, if it's damaged, then please note the damage and inform us. The completeness of the set has to be checked in accordance with the product certificate. A normal set includes assembled turnstile, wired control panel, hub with rods, anchor bolts. Take the turnstile out of the box and see if there is damage or if there are any defects. Remove the turnstile cover to access the terminals and fixing holes. Check if the site is ready for the installation. Install the turnstile according to the project requirements. Mark holes for fixation of the turnstile. Mark fixing holes on both sides of the turnstile housing. The lateral holes are used for fixation of the anchor bolts, and the central groove is used for the cables. If cables have to be laid beneath the floor surface, prepare a cable duct in the floor, leading to the place where the cables have to enter the turnstile stand. Drill holes in accordance with the marks. Install cables for main power and control panel, as well as the wires necessary for connection of the access control system. Affix the turnstile with anchor bolts at two sides. Connect the main power cable. Connect the control panel. The hub is screwed with 3 bolts, which are included in the standard set. Turn on the main power switch. Close the upper cover. Close the bottom covers. Check that the turnstile works by using the control panel. Single passage in one direction. Free passage in one direction. Passage is closed. Panic mode. To enable the panic mode, keep the button pressed for 5 seconds. When the panic mode is turned off, the rod is restored automatically. Test the turnstile operation when the power supply is turned off and restored. See a detailed installation manual on our website www.tiso.global.